Once you have an LLC, your money should be separated into a business bank account and kept away from your personal bank account. You're letting the IRS know that your business is a separate entity and that you're serious about making a profit. If you're being sued and you don't have a separate bank account for your business, then you're not showing that your business is a separate entity. Bank of America allows you to spend $10,000 per day with your debit card, and you don't need to maintain a minimum balance. Bank of America charges $16 per month for having a business bank account. They give you some options to get that $16 per month back by spending at least $250 with your debit card per month or business credit card. Otherwise, it's $16 a month. Bank of America is very good customer service with a very nice people, and you have easy access to ATMs and branches everywhere in the United States. You can deposit cash and checks at any ATM. I went to Bank of America to open up a business bank account and brought all of these business documents with me. Articles of organization, tax ID number, driver's license, birth certificate, and social security number. You should be capable of waiving the $16 per month fee by spending $250 with your debit card when you charge your eBay fees, cell phone bill, and other business expenses. If you want to be successful, continue to keep your costs low. On average, when people make purchases with their debit card, they spend an average of 13 to 18% more than cash. The first time I opened a business checking account was with a local credit union. I had a personal checking account and savings account with them, and they weren't that bad. It was March 2012, and the biggest product of the year was being released. Wholesalers were going to charge my bank account in the afternoon and ship the customers' orders afterwards. All the money was in there. The account was full with over $7,000. But it wasn't that easy. The credit union called me and told me that 2 wholesalers tried charging my account for around $7,000, and they labeled it suspicious activity. The bank said that there was a $3,000 spending limit per day. Even if I had $100,000 in my bank account, people usually aren't best friends with their banks. Does anyone have a good experience with their bank? Please leave a comment below and tell me about it.